Welcome to my channel. Here we are going to be working on this particular problem. We just want to make it to look like this, making use of 3D modeling on AutoCAD. And as you can see this object. I'm going to break it down into pieces, and we are going to have this part separate. And this part here, I'm going to break this part down into 4. This will be 1, this is 2, this is 3 parts at the top part, and this is the 4th part. So we are going to construct each of them one by one, then we put them together to obtain the whole of this object. And I'm going to start with the construction of this part. This part here, I'm going to start with that. So I'm going to construct this shape, and also I will construct this shape. Then I will extrude them. Distance from here to here is 19. As we have the total distance from here to here is 29. So distance from here to here is 10. So from here to here will be 19. So let's start. So the first thing that I'm going to do here is that I need to set some lines here on this page, and it goes as I'm going to show you here. So what we need to do first is that I'm going to change the color. So I'm going to change the color. So color, okay. So enter, and then okay, I'm waiting for the color to come up. Okay. All right, so I'm going to make use of this color just to set the lines. So here I will come to draw, and I will click on line. So here I'm going to draw a vertical line here. So then I'm going to also draw a line. So I will repeat the line, and I'm going to draw this line in this direction. So actually, so if you check the coordinates, I think we are on the front face. So this is it on the front. So this is the front face of the object. So it has to be like this. Okay, so let's continue. So, and as we have here that the distance of this arc, or the radius of this arc, this big arc here is 7. The radius is 7. So I'm going to then distance from here to here is 10. So it is shown here. Distance from here to here is 10. So I'm going to set the distance from here to here. I'm going to set that 10. That means I'm going to offset this line to a distance of 10. So I'm going to, so let's come to the modifier to here. You can also type OF. So, and that will give you the offset. So, okay. So, all right. So I'm going to type 10. So 10, enter. Then we select this. Then we move up by 10. So that is distance 10. So what I just need to do here is to increase this distance. So what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to, so distance from here to here is 10. So that's what we have there. So I will come to draw, and I will click on, we take, okay, let me change the color. So I need to change the color. So I'm going to change the color. So color, so enter. Then, so color. All right, so then I'm going to change it to yellow color. I will like this color. Okay, so I'll come to draw, and then I will click on this circle. So coming to this center, so I will draw a circle of radius 7. So enter. Then escape. So I need to repeat it. So coming to this center, so I will draw a circle of radius 7. Okay, so then I will repeat it. So for me to draw the one up here, so this one, so I'll make use of this center and draw a circle of radius 7. So okay. All right, so we have the circles now. So what I'm going to do now is that I need to trim this circle. So I will take half of each of them. I will take it off. So I click on trim. So I'm going to trim this. Okay. Just look at the way I'm doing it. So we trim this off. All right, so then we have half of each of them. Next thing I'm going to do is that I'll come to draw and click on polyline. So I'm going to draw a line from here, so to here. Okay, so we have that. Then I will repeat the line. So also I will draw from here to here. So all right, so then I'm going to join them together. So I will type join on my keyboard, then enter. Then I'm going to select this, select this, select this, and also I select this, then enter. So here we have it to be 1. Okay, you can see it. So now, next thing I'm going to do is that I want to draw this part here. So I will still make use of the same centers. We have that the center, they have common centers. So, so what I'm going to do now is that I will also come to draw, and then I will take circle, then I will draw a circle of radius 3.5. As we have that, distance from here to here is 7. So half of 7 is the radius of that particular semicircle. So that is 3.5. So 3.5, then enter. So then I will also repeat the circle again. So making use of this center, I will repeat the circle. So I need to erase this. All right, so I'm going to come here. So click on circle, then I will draw a circle of radius 3.5, enter. All right, so what I'm going to do now is to trim the circles. So come to the modify tool, picking trim. So I will trim this off. So and I'll also trim this off. Okay, so now next thing I'm going to do is that I will come to draw and take this polyline. So I will draw a line from here to here. Then I will repeat it. So draw a line from here to here. So that's it. So we have created those 2 parts. All right. So next thing I'm going to do is that I need to join this together again. So join. So then I will click this, select this, and also select this, then enter. All right. So we have them one by one. So I can take this off. So I can erase these lines or delete the lines. Okay. So all right, so next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to extrude each of them. We are going to extrude each of them. So EXT, then enter. Then we select each of them, the object to extrude, then enter. So we have both of them. Okay. All right, so we have both of them. Okay, so the distance is 19. So that is 19. So enter. All right, so we have them. So we have it. So we have one here, we have one here. So I'm going to subtract this one from this because this is a whole. So I'm going to subtract it. So to subtract SUB, so enter. So then select, so the major one. So press enter, then select this one. I need to repeat it. So so subtract again. So select the big one or the major one, press enter key, then we select this one, enter. Okay, so it has been created, as you can see it here now. So we are done with this part. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I want to create this part and I want to create this part. So how do I do that? So we come to draw and we click on polyline. So then distance from here to here is 13, from here to here is 12, from here to here is 5. So from here to here is 7, from here to here will be 8. So we come here and then so we draw a line of 13 distance. So enter, then we come down by 12, then we go here by 5, then it goes up by 7, then it comes to this side by 8. Then we join this together. So we close it. So right click, so enter. Then we repeat the line. So we repeat the polyline. So it goes like this. So here we come. This is 13. All right. So I need to. So I'm going to repeat it. So from here. So here we have 13. Okay. So coming down by 12. Then 5. then it goes up by 7, then 8, then so join this together. So that's it. So next thing I'm going to do is to extrude this through. So EXT enter. So we select this and we also select this. Then we press enter key. So the distance is 19. So it is 19. So 19, enter. All right, so we have done these two parts. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to create this. So distance from here to here is 19, and from here to here is 13. How did I get that? So we have that distance from here to here is 5, from here to here is 7, that is 12. And total distance from here to here is 25. So if I subtract 12 from 25, that will be 13. So the vertical here is 13. So right from here to here is 19. So then I need to switch to the left face because we are creating it from here to here. So I'm going to come to view. I'll come to coordinate, then I will change it to the left. So that's it. So now, so to create it, so I'll come to line and click on polyline. So I'm going to draw a vertical line. So down here, so distance 13. So enter. Then coming to this is 19. So enter. Then I'm going to put off the auto mode then so that I can join this together. So it has been formed. So if you can see it here, it has been formed. You have to put off auto mode if you are to join this point and this point together because this line is a non-isometric line. So you have to put off the auto mode. Auto mode, we use it for drawing horizontal and vertical line. Okay, so I'm going to put it on again. So I've done what I want to do. So the next thing I'm going to do is to extrude this one by distance of 5. As we have the thickness from here to here is 5. So EXT, so enter. So then select the object to extrude, press enter key on the keyboard, then enter 5. So enter. All right, so we have done that. So the next thing that we are going to do is to create this part. So we are going to create this surface, then we extrude it by a distance of 37 as it is shown here. So let's do that. So so I need to change this to the top. This is top face. So I want to create this top face. So I need to come to coordinate and change the and switch it to the coordinate to the top. So that's it. So I will come to draw and click on polyline. So then I'm going to, so here I will start from here. So a distance of 5. So based on what we have here, then I come in by 5 again. So then we go to this side by 30. As you can see, the dimensions up there. Then we come here by 5 again. Then coming to this side by 5. So enter. So then here we have 10. So enter. Then move to this side by 40. So enter. Then we join this together here. So right click, enter. So we have created this surface. So we now need to extrude this by distance of 37. So EXT. So enter. So then we select the object to extrude. So right click, or you just press enter key on the keyboard. So we move this up to 37, enter. All right, so with what we have done here, so we need to put this part together. So I'm going to do something here. So I want to make this, I want to maximize this so that I can see the whole shape here. So that is what I want to do. So you can see how simple this is. So the next thing that we are going to do is that I will come to view here. So I'll come to view. Okay. All right. So I'm going to change it. So come to view. So I'm going to change it to 2D wireframe. Okay. So now, so we type move on the keyboard. So move on the keyboard. So enter. So I'm going to connect this point here to this point. Also this point, I will connect to this point. So let's start with this. So just select the object to move. So right click, then take it like this. So we come to this point. So and enter. Okay, so I remove the repeat the move, sorry, repeat the move. So select the object to move, right click, then so we take this point and we join it to this point here. Okay, then for this particular one that we are going to move this also. So we right click and we repeat move. So select this object that we are to move, and then so we take note of the point that we are. So we are joining this point together with this point. So this point, so we are going to join it to this point. So right click, so then go with this point like this, then so click. All right, so we have that. Then also we want to bring this one, want to place it on this. So the midpoint is what we are going to target, the midpoint of this. So we repeat move. So click on move. Then all right, so move again. So select the object to move, right click. So the midpoint is here. So we are connecting the two midpoints together, the midpoint of the object that we are moving and this one. So this is the midpoint. So as is shown there. So look at what we have here. We have assembled them. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to switch to the realistic. So as we have here, so you can see how we have assembled them, but they are not one, they are pieces. So we need to unionize them. We need to join them together. So how do we do that? So we come to so we have union here. So this is the icon for union. So click on this. So select each of them one by one, select them one by one. Okay. All right, so and press enter key on the keyboard, so you can see we have this to be one. So it's as simple as I've done it here. All you need to do is to practice, so you can see how simple it is when I made this object. Thank you. Keep on practicing and God bless you.